I'm Susan Castriota. I'm the inventor of the Cuchina Safe All Glass cooking lids that I designed for microwave use, even though they can be used in the oven and to cover pots and pans on the stove. But I invented these for the microwave to replace those nasty plastics like plastic wraps and lids that people normally use in the microwave. So these are all glass, and the added bonus is they are vented right here. So you can vent your food in the microwave so you use less water if you're doing vegetables, less cooking time, so you get to save those valuable nutrients and vitamins. Now the first product I designed is the Cuchina Safe lid. This is a flat lid to cover bowls. So I've got two sizes on Amazon. I have the 8-inch, which is sold. This is the 8-inch by itself. And then I have a 9-inch and an 8-inch that are sold as a set. Now, like I said, these cover bowls. And the nice thing about these are universal size. You can flip them either way. There's concentric rings around here to keep the lid, from sliding off in the microwave. But look at the versatility. You can use it on a small bowl, a medium-sized bowl, and an even larger bowl. Say you're reheating soup, or you got some rice to cook in the microwave. These fit on many size bowls, and I just cooked steamed broccoli in the microwave. Now this is my go-to cooking vessel because it's got the handle, which I really like, and it's a 2-quart. I just put a head of broccoli in there, a little bit of water, and then I cooked it on high for between 4 and 5 minutes. Now that that time really can change depending on your microwave. So this is perfectly cooked broccoli. And look at this. You see how that water and steam that's coming off of the Cuchina Safe lid? That steam is helping to cook your vegetables. And this is really important if you want really healthy vegetables. You're gonna cook them. Ooh, I'm getting a nice steam right here. You're going to use less cooking time, less water. So you're gonna save those nutrients, those valuable vitamins that are in your vegetables. So take a look at that. Isn't that good? So that's the broccoli. Using the Cuchina Safe lid to cover bowls. Like I said, you can put it on lots of size bowls. That's the really nice thing about the design, is they can be used on many bowls, so you don't have to go out and buy a specific bowl for the lid. The other product I designed, a lot of people ask me once I designed these patented lids, they ask me, well, what do I have to cover plates? Plate cover in the microwave. So I designed the Cover and Cook. This is the Cover and Cook. And this is very unique. This has been named #1 product on Amazon several times, #1 in cooking. This is a plate cover, and it's got this little bit of a wave right here, which allows enough steam to get out while you're cooking, but it leaves steam inside to actually steam cook your vegetables or reheat your food. So the really cool thing about this is you can turn it upside down and use it as a 2-quart baking dish, either in the microwave or the regular standard oven. So this is a baking dish, plate cover. So this, I just finished cooking, let me make sure that's not too hot, sweet potatoes. So I do sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. They are great in the microwave. And watch this. Once again, we've got that nice steam and all that moisture. I did not add water to the potatoes. This moisture naturally comes from the vegetable. But what happens when you cook using the Cuchina Safe, these are gonna be hot, is they're really hot potatoes. They're nice and soft. They're too hot. They're really nice and moist because a lot of times you cook in the microwave and the food gets dry because there's not enough moisture in there. So when you cook with the Cuchina Safe products, you're actually keeping all that moisture, you know, kind of condensed inside. So it's cooking very, very efficiently. So those would be sweet potatoes, and I always pierce the potato before I put them in the microwave, or you're gonna have a big mess. And the other thing is the Cuchina Safe products, these are splatter shields. They keep your microwave clean because you're gonna be covering your food now. And so, you know, normally if you did sweet potato in the microwave and it burst, you would have sweet potato all over the microwave. But now you have it contained within the cover and cook, and your other, like if you're gonna reheat sauce or you're gonna do oatmeal. I love to do oatmeal in the morning using my bowl, my Cuchina Safe lid, and a little bit of water added to the oatmeal. Now, if I didn't have the lid on there, I would have oatmeal all over my oven. Same thing goes with popcorn. Popcorn is a great snack, but when you use those bags, you know, they're just filled with chemicals, the inside and the bag itself. So if you use like the 2-quart glass bowl, you can do a half a cup of kernels with a little bit of oil on the very bottom and cover with the Cuchina Safe lid, and you do your popcorn for between 3 and 4 minutes, and you have very perfect popcorn, and you know, very few kernels are left in the bottom of the bowl. So this is a great way to cook. It's a great utensil to have in your kitchen. If you microwave, you're going to use this several times a day. Now I've got the, like I said, I've got the 8-inch lid. I've got the 9-inch lid. These are sold as a set or just a single lid. These are made and designed by me. They're patented. These are made to cover bowls in the microwave. Now I also have lots of recipes on cuchinasafe.com. If you go under recipe, I have a recipe book called Quick and Delish by Susan. So I've got over 85 recipes. So when you buy Cuchina Safe lid or the cover and cook, and you want some ideas for cooking in the microwave or reheating, the cookbook has a lot of fun stuff to do, from vegetables to desserts, rices, all kinds of things, and seafood too. That's a really quick way of cooking seafood in the microwave. The other thing, other product I want to share with you that I have on Amazon are my oven mitts. Now these I designed because I use the microwave a lot, and I had those really heavy gloves. And I just couldn't get a good grip on things. So I patented and invented these. Comes as a 3-piece set. You get the little oven mitt. So this is just your finger right here, palm coverage, nothing up here. So, you know, it looks like little slippers for your hand. And you just put them on like that. And then I also have the pot holder or pot pouch right here. You know, if you've got something hot, you want to put it on your table or your counter, you can just put it right here. And it's also a little storage, like a little kangaroo pouch for the oven mitts. This comes in the blue or turquoise or the red and white polka dot. They're both polka dot, red and white, turquoise or blue and white. And these are made with neoprene right here. It's a special neoprene that is actually on both sides. And then this is a cotton material right here. So this will keep the fingers and palms safe from grabbing hot things in the microwave, or, you know, if you're pulling out the cookie tray in the oven, these are also very helpful. So these are also available on Cuchina Safe. And I just want to go over one more time what I have on Amazon, which is the Cuchina Safe all glass. These are made out of borosilicate glass. This is the glass that the cookware your grandmother had, your great-grandmother had, is made out of. And this is an heirloom quality glass. So they're very durable, and they are vented right here so the steam escapes, but also leaves enough steam in there to help to reheat, cook your food in the microwave. This is the 8-inch plate cover. This is the 9-inch plate cover. These two are sold as a set, or you can just get the 8-inch right there. Or you can get the Cover and Cook, which is the plate cover that I designed. It's a dome to cover your food on the plate. This is where the moisture, the excess moisture escapes, but you get a lot of moisture that stays under the dome while you're cooking. Then you can flip it over, and it's a 2-quart baking dish for the regular oven or the microwave. I do my quiche in here. I do cauliflower pizza. Recipe is on cuchinasafe.com. I even make like a brownie in the oven. So these are this is a great versatile gift. It's a 2-in-1 product. It's one product, 2 functions, plate cover and baking dish. So once again, you can go on cuchinasafe.com and you can see my recipes, and there's lots of videos on how to use the product properly. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Susan Castriota, inventor of the Cuchina Safe glass cookware. Thanks so much and have a good day.